if you're an American, you better watch this. So in Colorado, I saw a thing get posted a couple days ago by Salida Gun Shop talking about Colorado parks and wildlife and how our politicians are wanting to basically eliminate the Colorado parks and wildlife. I think it's going to have a massive effect more than they think. I think they're using this bill that they're going to put on the ballot in 2026. It's going to be, yes, they're going after the hunter, the target shooter, and I think some of this has to play with SB 003. I don't know if they're trying to eliminate that completely by getting rid of Colorado Parks and Wildlife to eliminate that ban where now you can't get anything, any guns, any type of AR, anything with high magazines, which Colorado has such a restriction on that anyways. And part of me is wondering if that is what is going on in, I guess, our political in our government in Colorado. I feel like they're using Colorado Parks and Wildlife to be eliminated, and it will stop this. I mean, SB 003 is a bad bill in my opinion. It's very unconstitutional, and the person who's going to be the organization that's going to be going through that is Colorado Parks and Wildlife to regulate it. So I hear. But I want to hear your thoughts on it. It's I want to guess create a little bit of awareness, and if Colorado Parks and Wildlife gets eliminated, it's not just targeting the hunter, the fisher, the rancher. I actually think it's going to affect everyone. We are such an outdoorsy state, and we love our outdoor recreation. I think this is going to kill Colorado in a very bad way. I could be wrong, but I feel like if you love the outdoors and you like what the Carl Parks and Wildlife is doing, I mean, Carl Parks and Wildlife, they have a lot of state parks here as well, and they've done a really good job with them. And I feel like the state parks aren't perfect, but they're managed well. And so, I don't know. It's kind of a. I saw a podcast by Salida Gun Shop a couple days ago. I just wanted to touch base on it. I'll put the link in the description below so you guys can check it out for yourself. But I think what they're doing, I think Colorado is, I hope Colorado can band together to stop this bill. This is a bad bill. It will ruin, I think, a lot of our recreation. So, uh, comment below. I want to see what everyone's take is on this.